श्लोका 25 सदा सेव्या श्रीमद्भागवती कदा यस्या श्रवणमात्रेण हरिश्चित्तं समाश्रयेत्. Sada means always, constantly. Sevya, listen. Sada, always. Sevya, listen. Srimad Bhagavati Katha. Katha means story. All the stories of Srimad Bhagavatam. Yasya Shravana Matrena. Yasya. At that simple listening to it. Shravana. Listening to the Bhagavata stories. Matrena. The instant of listening. Harish Chittam. Hari means Lord Hari's. Chittam means heart. Samashrayet will be occupied. That means Sada Sevya Srimad Bhagavati Kada Yasya Shravana Matrena Harish Chittam Samashrayet. One should constantly listen to the story of Srimad Bhagavata throughout one's life, for by simply listening to it, Lord Hari will occupy on one's heart. Sada Sevya Srimad Bhagavati Kada Yasya Shravana Matrena Harishchittam Samashrayet. Shri Hare Namaka Gopika Jivana Smaranam Govinda Govinda.